Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am here to share with you this brand new collection from Decorate Your Life. This is a digital collection. I thought it was so cute that I had to share it with you guys. It is called Kawaii Crush. There will be a giveaway for this collection, so you're gonna have to wait for later in the video and to give you the details on that. So this digital collection comes with 7 designs, and here are some of the designs. You can see that this one is double, and then let me get you a closer look on this one and on this one. Okay, and then I did print out the original size of this one, and that's this one right here. And look how cute. I absolutely love that rainbow, and I feel like this right here can be the card front. Yeah, it can be a card front. Look how pretty that is. I love it. It's so cute. The images are just so adorable, you guys. And then here is another sheet. This one is super cute as well. This one I like because it repeats the image over and over, and I can actually cut these out if I wanted to. Here are the other ones. Oh, they're just so cute, you guys. Look at this. Look at that deer. He's just adorable. And then look at her. If you watched my embellishment video, you know that what I do is I do cut out the images that I want to use. So for this one, if I wanted to, I can actually enlarge the image because this is a digital image. I can enlarge it as big or as small as I want and then just fussy cut around it. So for sure, I will be doing that. And then here is just the flower ones. So here's the collection Kawaii Crush, and I will have a link for it in the description box. So wasn't that like a super adorable and cute collection? I think it's so cute, you guys. I love the colors and I love the designs. I love everything about it. Now let me show you my project. I made a folio, and this, I followed the tutorial by Polly's Paper Studio. I'll have that link in the description box so you can check it out. Check out her YouTube video. She makes a lot of tutorials and they are super easy to follow, you guys. So, and she makes a lot of mini albums as well and cards, but I really like this folio. I wanted to make something simple. I like doing simple stuff, so this is what I made, and here it is, you guys. I think it's so cute. Like I mentioned before, I do like to get like elements from the design, from the paper design, and then like this one right here, for example. I like to get the designs and then make the design bigger, and then like I'll cut this out, you know what I mean? So that's what I've done here. So I cut her out several times. I cut her out 3 times. So the first one was, which, because she is pretty dimensional, is the base, and then I cut her out twice. And then the 3rd time I cut out just the dress and the scarf. And I think it looks so cute. I made the shaker. The last embellishments I made were these ones right here, but I needed to make a smaller embellishment because I didn't want it to be too big. Also, I wanted to use this doily, and it was, this size was too big for that doily. It would have covered the whole thing, and so I made a smaller version of it, and it's so cute. I got, this is also a sentiment that you can find at Decorate Your Life. And it's so cute, you guys. I love the way this looks. And then just a cluster of flowers right here. And there is a better close-up. So cute. I love her. I think she is adorable. This was really easy to make. There is the spine, and there is what the back looks like. You can see that this is a smaller version of this right here. So that's the neat thing about digitals, that you can scale them bigger or smaller, whatever is appropriate for your project. So the tutorial, she does have a binding of she used ribbon. I didn't do anything because it wasn't necessary. It stays pretty flat, pretty good. I know you can't tell on camera, but it does stay pretty well shut. So you open this up, and the first thing you get are 2 pockets right here. And then these pockets, I just added some of these from the paper collection because I thought they were so cute. And look at that, you guys. Oh, that rainbow is everything. And then on this one, I added the rest of, I just added more cards. And look at that. I think that is so cute. And then this is a card, and it's double-sided. Well, not double-sided, but that's what that looks like. And then this opens up, and you get more panels. And then these panels open up like this. And then I didn't want these pages just to be white because I did intentionally leave them blank. In the tutorial, she does not leave them blank. She actually adds more layers. But so what I did was print it out of that fabric looking design paper that Decorate Your Life has, and it comes in several colors. I chose this pink one. So this is how I decided to do mine. And that's what that looks like, you guys. It's really cute, super easy to put together. You should check out the video so you can make your own using this digital paper collection. So there is my project, you guys. I hope you like it. Okay, and now for the giveaway. If you would like to be entered for this giveaway, first let me tell you that nothing will be mailed out to you, so nothing physical. Everything will be through email. You must know how to extract the files, and you must know how to print these files on your own. If you would like to be entered for this giveaway, in your comment you must type enter me. That is it for today, you guys. Please don't forget to check the description box for a list of the digital collections used in this video, links to Decorate Your Life social media. Also, you will find a list of the design team members for Decorate Your Life. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you all are having an amazing day. Bye everyone.